Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 11 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week last week at Simons Middle School, several birthdays. We also had our 8th grade students participate in our etiquette courses. This is something that we used to do pre-pandemic, and we have brought it back, and it seemed to be a huge success. A huge shout out to Mindy High and to her volunteers. There were several folks that helped make that possible. So thank you to all who were involved. We also want to take a moment and shout out to our staff spotlight. SMS did have the opportunity this week to choose a staff spotlight, and it was our ICU lifeguards. So these ladies have worked really hard this semester to help save missing assignments, and they have saved nearly 900 assignments from either receiving a bad grade or from becoming missing. So congratulations to our ICU lifeguards. We do want to tell everyone that this week is Red Ribbon Week. Tomorrow is Twin Day. Don't hide, find a friend to be drug free. Tuesday is Don't Get Tied Down, team up against drugs. Wednesday is Country versus Country Club. Thursday is My Future is Bright, no drugs in sight. And then Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. So we'll try to remind everyone to remind each day and on the announcements what the daily theme will be for the following day. Also, parents, if you haven't done so already, mark your calendars. We will have the winter formal that is upcoming here at Simons Middle School. I know several people have went ahead and bought their dresses, and they are the kids are very excited about that. It is going to be on Saturday, December the 10th, and it is from 6 to 8. This week at Simons Middle School, we will have an admin team meeting at 8 on Monday. We also have a site-based council meeting in the conference room at 4 o'clock on Monday. There are no events on calendar yet for Tuesday. Wednesday is Fall Picture Day makeups. 7th grade football players will also be having their playoff game. We don't have a lot of details yet about the time of that, but we will hopefully by tomorrow. Thursday we'll have PLCs in the conference room. Also, 8th graders will participate in playoffs. Still don't have a lot of information about the time of that yet, but we will update players on that when we know. Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. It is High Five and Fist Bump Friday. It is the last day for staff to enroll for health insurance open enrollment. We will be having a Halloween dance on that night. It is sponsored by the SMS cheerleaders. I think it is from 6 to 8. And Kona Ice will also be at SMS on Friday during break. Over the weekend, we do want to wish a happy birthday to Mr. Fritz. And this week, students, you can expect to have an article for G3000 assigned in social studies. Also, parents, if you would like to do so, or students, if you need an additional Bring It shirt, we do have those for sale now. You can submit your order at any time to the office. There are order forms outside of the office. We do want to take a moment and spotlight our student spotlight for this week. It is our high school girls golf team, and there's actually 3 students in our building that participate in high school varsity golf. Presley Downey, Henley McKinney, and Hanley High. So congratulations to these ladies. They have participated in numerous matches in both August and September on Saturdays. They concluded their season this weekend with a family golf scramble with both the boys and girls teams and their families. While traveling to tournaments during the season, 5 golfers represented the team. These young ladies played against much older competitors all season long, but they represented themselves well. In addition to their tournaments, they participated in several weeknight matches at surrounding golf courses. This is the 2nd season for Hanley High to participate in golf, and she has also played in the regionals. She is balanced, playing high school golf and middle school basketball. Presley also returned for her 2nd season and made some big improvements. Henley McKinney, the youngest member of the golf team, made her debut season this year and did extremely well. We're so proud of these young ladies for their dedication to their sport, and we are excited to see what things they do in the future. So thank you, ladies, for bringing it this season. We're so proud of your many accomplishments. For this week, we do want to shout out to our G3000 Leaderboard. On Monday, Hope Miller. Tuesday, Cassie Kelly. Wednesday, Kendall Hawkins. Thursday, Kenton Jolly. Friday, Maxwell Guillen. We do want to congratulate Kenton Jolly for being the weekly top scorer and the students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try. For 7th grade was Kenton Jolly and Hope Miller with 4, and in 8th grade was Brianna Cooley with 3 activities. Our Alex leaderboard for the month, or so far this month, it has not had a lot of movement. It does have some though. All students are showing growth, so congratulations to these students. We do have several students who have moved to an advanced content, and we're hoping to be able to spotlight those kiddos next week. So that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.